Hello guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to another recipe video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make this sandwich. It is so easy, so filling, and trust me, you're going to love it. So straight off, I'm going to be showing you guys the ingredients that you need for this sandwich. First off, you're going to need some eggs, some tomato. I'm using one firm tomato, some hot Scotch bonnet pepper. Use pepper as much as you can tolerate. I love my sandwich to be a bit spicy, so I'm using about 3 of them, and then a small ball of onion which I'm going to dice with the peppers, and then I'm adding carrots to it as well. Feel free to customize the veggies to what you like and your preference. And then I'm going to be using 2 eggs. Also, I'm going to dice up all of these ingredients to bite sizes or even smaller, and then I'm going to fry them with my egg. And then for the sandwiches, of course, you need bread. I'm going to be using about 4 slices of bread for this particular one. You can use 3 slices or even 2 if that is what you fancy. To stack up my sandwiches, I'm going to be using some sliced cucumbers and tomato slices as well. So first things first, I'm going to butter my bread because I'm just going to pan toast them till they're a bit brown, because I want the bread to be a bit crunchy when I make it as a sandwich. So I'm just going to butter each slice, butter the both sides as well, so that you can toast both sides and they come out looking brown and a bit crispy. Feel free to skip buttering your bread or even toasting it if you do not like it, but this is exactly how I make my sandwiches all the time and I absolutely love it. Now I'm going to be making the spread with which I will be making my sandwich. You guys, the spread you place on your sandwich determines how tasty or how delicious your sandwich turns out. So for my spread, I always use 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise and about 1 teaspoon of ketchup, which I'm going to mix together. All the ingredients and their description will be, their measurements will be in the description box below, so please check that out. I'm just going to mix till the mayo and ketchup is completely combined and it looks nice. Ooh, look at that creaminess. Just look at how it came out. So now I'm going to crack my eggs into a bowl, both eggs, and I'm going to add in the veggies which I have already sliced and diced up behind the camera to make this video a bit fast. I'm going to add them in, season my eggs, and then we're going to move to the next stage. If you're still watching at this point and you're not subscribed, kindly click the subscribe button, hit the notification bell so you'll always get notified when I post my videos and be a part of this family. To season my egg, I'm going to be adding a little bit of seasoning cube and then some salt. With a fork, I'm going to whisk to combine. And then I'm going to set this aside after whisking, and we go straight to the next step. So you guys, in the comment section, let me know what is your preferred breakfast. Like, what do you like for breakfast? Are you a sandwich person? Are you pancakes? Do you go all out when it comes to your breakfast, or you just do it light? Like, let me know in the comment section, okay? So now I'm just going to be pan toasting my bread lightly. I don't want them too brown. I just want them a bit brown and crispy. And next, I'm going to add in some vegetable oil into a pan. And to that, I'm going to pour in the egg mixture. Ooh, look how yummy that looks. I'll fry this till a bit brown. Fry your egg the way you want. If you want your egg to be just a little bit brown, or however you like your eggs, but this is exactly how I like my eggs, especially for sandwiches. I like it a bit toasty on the bottom. So my egg is ready. Now we're just going to plate our sandwich. So first off, I'm going to put 1 bread slice, and then on top of that, I'm going to spread the mayo and ketchup mix, which is our sandwich spread. You guys, you can use this spread for not just sandwiches, but even for your wrap, like your chicken wrap or your beef wrap. You can totally use this spread and it is so yummy. So on top of the spread, I've added cucumber slices and tomatoes. Usually I add a bit of lettuce, but I didn't have that at hand today, so I'm just using the cucumber and tomato slices. And next, I place on the fried egg and then top off with another bread slice. Repeat the same process till you are out of bread, or till you've achieved how many layers you want your sandwich to be, basically. And this is one thing that I love about sandwiches. You can easily customize them to your taste, to how you want them, and it is just so delicious and filling, because I am one person that just wants to have breakfast and move on with my day. I don't want to worry about food till maybe mid-lunch or even dinner, and this fills me up for long and keeps me all day practically. So now on to the last layer. I'm just going to spread the mayo and ketchup mix, add in the egg, place the last piece of bread on top of it, and our sandwich is ready. If you've not subscribed at this point, come on, click that subscribe bell, hit the notification so you'll always get notified and be a part of this family, so you never miss yummy and quick recipes like this, and also other videos that I drop on this channel. Be generous with your mayo and ketchup spread because it is quite addictive. Okay, I'm giving that a good press. And then I'm just going to cut across with a knife to give it that sandwich shape. Feel free to leave it like this if you want to, but I prefer to just cut across and then give it that nice looking shape. And there you go, our sandwich is ready. So ready. You can take this with a cup of coffee or tea or even orange juice in the morning and you are good to go. You can also make this as a breakfast to go if you're going to work or to the office. Thank you guys so much for watching. Leave me your likes and your comments, subscribe, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.